Hey guys, so up at the field, it's a pretty light wind day, so I brought up the Eagle, but primarily I want to film the Fokker D.VII because nice blue sky, not a cloud in the sky, so it should be good. So let's go. Look at that classic shadow, guys. Unmistakable Fokker D.VII. Unmistakable. Wind's coming from the right, very, very light. So I'll take advantage of it. I'll go over here. But it does mean I'm taking off into the sun a little bit. But the grass is not too long, but it's very wet. As you can see, it's glistening. But we'll give it a go. So I've increased the airflow into the ESC compartment and increased the exit as well. Okay. Do you know what? There's not enough wind to worry about. I'm not going to take off into the sun. Might need to give it a push, we'll see. Yeah, grass is a little bit long. Let's go to about there. Let's try that. Might just have to gun it. Yeah, not the most scale takeoff, but it got it off, so that's the important thing. And she looks lovely against the blue sky. This is only the fourth flight I've had with it, but the last three were very docile indeed, so I'll bring it down in a moment. Here we come. Look at that. Beautiful. Throttle back, let her drop. The scarf looks good. Da, 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 da. This is one of those lovely clear sky days, which we don't get many of, it seems, but when we do, when you get a model that you can see through the fuselage, I can see through the white tissue, see the structure, gorgeous. 2 minutes of bliss left, guys. Try loop. I think I looped it last time. Here we go. Yep, nice loop. Haven't tried a roll. Try a stall turn to the left. Nice. That wasn't going to be a stall turn, it's just a... didn't want to get in the sun. 1 minute left. So almost certainly she's going to tip over on landing. There's a little mown strip directly in front of me from there to there, look. I'll try and bring it in on that. Here we go. Here we come. Looking good on the strip. Oh, I missed the strip. Damn. Okay, that was a shame. It was going to land on the strip at the far end, so I blipped the throttle and went over slightly, but never mind. There we go. Now, I'm intrigued to see what the ESC has done. If that it's dripping with water, if that scoop has made any difference. Look at it. Let's just give it a shake. I want to feel the ESC. Okay, it's pretty warm. I think I'll have to change it to be on the safe side. I'll change it to a 60 amp and then I can relax. There we go, guys. That's your Dave Boddington Fokker D.VII restoration model. Thanks for watching. Give us a like if you've enjoyed that. I know I did. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Helps the channel to grow and get promoted to other genres of modelers, I guess. Cheers, guys. Okay, guys, it's such a beautiful day. While there's a lull in the flying, let's go up again. Oh, I've already put the battery in that. Okay, that's good. I've had a nice cocoa. Now it's time to fly again. So I'll take off this way a little bit, see if I can get rolling again. I've got coupled aileron and rudder on this one. Okay, wind direction just from the right a little bit. Taking off, here we go. Oh, here we go. It's got a hell of a rate of climb. I'm not going to... yeah, let's turn right. I won't get in the sun too much. Can you ever tire of watching an aeroplane like this fly? I don't think I've finally trimmed it. Let's just get it into wind. That's hands off. Yeah, it's going slightly to the left. Put a couple of blips of right for trim in. buzzard up there. Let's try that again. Hands off. No, let's go around again. It's important to get directly into wind when you're trimming a plane. So that's hands off. Again, oops, slightly going left. I'm not surprised if you remember how much I had to repair this model, rebuild it I should say. Just absolutely lovely. I'm feeling the urge to do a loop, guys. Here we go, crosswind, open the throttle. Oh, that wasn't so loop, more than a flick over the top. Horrible, that was a horrible loop. What a nice big round one. Let's try that again. That's better. Don't know if you saw it, that was better. Try it from this side. Oh, that was horrible. You've got to time it just right with the throttle and the climb. I am aware I'm overheating the ESC a bit though, so I'm going to take it easy. See, whatever floats your boat, this model just looks gorgeous and flies gorgeous, but it's got a bit of a history behind it. I knew the original builder, and because I've spent quite a few hours restoring it completely, so it's, you know, it's got a lot of sentiment behind it really. Ooh, flock of birds just there. So I'm lined up on the strip now. I've got a minute left, so that was coming in quite fast. Maybe coming in fast is the answer, because then I can flare it more. It'll have to be precisely timed though. Let's try that again. Okay, never mind, it was a gallant attempt. Let's let the water run off. It was a gallant attempt, but in this grass it wasn't to be, was it? So there we go. Beautiful. I can go home now, clean it all off. A very happy chappy, very happy indeed. Lovely.